Yeah, the full story is much bigger than what the headlines usually say. I mean, let's sort of go back to the early days for Hamas, let's say around 2019, even other groups, during 2017, 2018 that were experimenting. Well, the first thing that I think most people saw was crowdfunding campaigns, crypto, public crowdfunding on social media. Hamas started doing this. That's been written about a lot. And so this is, crowdfunding has always been a double-edged sword for terrorist groups because one, maybe easy to implement, right? Easy to stand up, ask people to send crypto and they can send it quickly. But the other side of that sword is that you're also publicly revealing yourself and basically putting a target on your back, so to speak, in the sense that there is that digital footprint. Now, when you ask people to send you crypto, then you can be disrupted. That campaign could be disrupted and your followers and people in your network can potentially be identified. So crypto crowdfunding, I think, was always, maybe not the most viable form of funding. And it didn't become, it didn't sort of become the main source for funding for these groups. I think, relating to some of the news that's been out, what we can say, even looking at this Treasury package that just came out this morning, it is sanctioning Hamas, and it's not just focused on this one crypto exchange. It actually targets Hamas's investment portfolio, hundreds of millions of assets and some of the people on the ground in Sudan and Turkey that are supporting Hamas and their funding investments, right? Non-crypto. But it basically shows that, a group like Hamas has other means and is relying on other forms of funding. Crypto, I think, may play more of a role in terms of just transferring funds. I mean, if you look at today's package, it's clear that this exchanger was allowing people to send crypto, basically serving as that funnel point to send from one operative to another. That's not necessarily, that's not fundraising, right? So the picture is much more, it's much bigger. It's not that crypto is the source of funding. These groups have exploited crypto as a way to send the illicit proceeds that they may have from elsewhere. And that's exactly what Treasury is going after.